Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a copy of a document in the Docs app. But for that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Docs app. And here it opens up in the Drive files. From here we just have to find the document that we want to send a copy of. Say it's this lesson plan. And then we go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on share and export, and then send the copy. Now we can select the format of the copy. Let's say it's going to be a PDF document. Okay. And after this loads, we can select how we want to send it and where. And yeah, after that, just follow the steps. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.